See? I wanted to get it on camera. Yeah, but every time you're like, oh my god, it's actually, and then back there, you're like, oh my god, it's actually, and then you hit play. I wanted to get it on.
Literally my favorite group.
There won't be captions or anything, right? Oh, okay.
Hey, see? And we are reacting to XG Is This Love? And this is a link that someone commented on our video, so thank you.
Thanks.
Is it them performing it live?
Yeah,
Yeah,
girl,
this
they
is-
have mics.
Okay,
Context clues, come on. Get on it.
So,
I wasn't sure if they were able to like sing it
I
live. yet.
haven't heard the song yet, and they're singing it live, so it's gonna be.
What is the song?
Yeah.
It's just off of their newest album.
Okay.
Yeah. Right.
Yeah.
Ready?
Oh my god.
Oh!
Right out the gate.
Oh my god. Jordan's like, that's my girl.
Okay.
I love how they're all different colors. Who's that? Ooh, harmonies. Harmonies. The face clock.
I love her. So good.
We're having so much fun. Who's that?
She's off! Oh my god.
She's still going off.
I love them so much.
They're
That
so
was
talented.
really good.
Oh my god, there's my video! Everyone go watch
Oh,
it.
they do it in the rain. Do you want to do that? It's another one.
Sure. I just want to check the comments.
No, literally, Maya is a rapper, but she can sing so well.
They all can sing. Hello?
Yeah, I know, but Maya like shook me.
Oh, it's this one.
Shook me to the core. This is the same, I guess, event or whatever.
Yep.
So, I'm so excited. Her smile.
I know, it's so cute.
Great though.
I know. I'm trying to think of a word that the whole song. I was trying to think of like how to describe their music.
Well, there was like one line I think that Jordan said. She was like, I think there's a saying that goes like, "Rain, rain, go away, come again another day," and she said it like, "Rain, rain, stay today," or something. Like I feel like it was the total opposite of that.
Oh, okay.
I thought that was
Mm.
cool. I clocked it. Anyway.
I see you. I'm trying to think of a word that it's like.
This was like kind of R&B.
It's kind of like, yeah, like,
Oh, yeah, yeah.
slow
These
R&B
two songs.
But it's very much like you're in a haze.
Yeah, like I was like,
Like it's low key
hypnotized.
trippy.
Yeah, I was hypnotized for the whole time.
No, all their music. It's very
Yeah.
much like it just sucks you into their world.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
I had to get that in.
And they're performing at Coachella.
They are?
Yes, they are.
Oh my god, watch party.
No, we were literally gonna like, let's live stream it.
We will.
We will.
I'm so proud.
And Lisa and Jenny and then Hyphen are performing.
And I think.
And I.
Yeah.
A good amount. So
Mhm.
we will be watching. So get ready for that. I know that's like in a while, but I am so hyped for them. I have to get a light stick.
Do it.
I have to. That's gonna be my Christmas gift for myself.
Do it.
I'm getting a light stick.
Do it. Alright, so good.
Anyway.